Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps of signing up for a new account on Uphold. Uphold is a digital money platform that makes it easy to buy, sell, and hold various assets like cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and currencies. Getting started only takes a few minutes. First, navigate to the Uphold website or open the Uphold mobile app. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the web page or prominently displayed in the app. Click or tap on it to begin the process. You'll be asked to provide some basic information. This typically includes your email address, which will be your primary login credential. Make sure it's an email you check regularly and have secure access to. Next, you'll need to create a strong password. It's crucial to use a unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account. Never use a password you've used on another website. Uphold will then require you to select your country of residence. Choose the country where you currently live. You'll also need to agree to Uphold's terms and conditions and privacy policy. We highly recommend reviewing these documents before continuing. After you've entered this initial information, click Next or Continue. Uphold will send a verification link to the email address you provided. Go to your inbox and open the email from Uphold. Click on the link within the email to verify your address. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. This usually involves entering your full legal name and your date of birth. Ensure this information is accurate, as it will be used for identity verification later. Finally, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer, or KYC, process. This is a regulatory requirement for financial platforms. Uphold will guide you through uploading identification documents, like a government-issued ID and possibly a proof of address. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This step may take a little time to process. After your identity is verified, your Uphold account will be fully activated, and you can begin exploring and transacting on the platform. That's all there is to it. You now know how to successfully sign up for an Uphold account. Thank you for watching.